Hey creators! The drone skies are crackling with something wild. A storm's brewing. A revolution's about to lift off. And it's not a rumor anymore. Meet the DJI Neo 2, a pocket-sized powerhouse that's rewriting the rulebook on what a mini drone can truly do. For months, whispers have danced through the air. Leaked specs, cryptic patents, quiet factory murmurs. But it's official now. Neo 2 is real. FCC filings confirm it, and November 2025, that's launch month. DJI's been playing chess while others play checkers, building anticipation like a magician holding the final trick. They've never just built drones, they've built dreams that fly. And Neo 2? It's not an update, it's a rebirth. A leap from engineering to artistry. A tool that gives you wings, literally, and makes cinematic shots feel as easy as breathing. So, what do you think? Is this the drone that finally bridges epic and effortless? Drop your take below. I'm curious where you stand. Let's rewind back to the spark that lit the first Neo. When DJI launched it, nobody saw it coming. That featherlight frame, barely pocket-sized, yet delivering footage polished enough to headline a blockbuster. Travel vloggers fell in love instantly. FPV junkies swore by its quick response. And casual creators? They found freedom in the sky and without the bulk. It was a vibe, pure, simple, joyful. That feeling of flight on demand. No friction, no fuss. And that was the revelation, that you don't need a monster drone to shoot cinema. Now, Neo 2 doesn't just carry that torch, it supercharges it. Lighter, smarter, faster, packed with enough tricks to make your creativity sprint. It keeps the magic of the original, there's that grab-and-go soul, but cranks it up to a level even pros will envy. DJI isn't polishing the old. They're forging a new crown jewel. Visualize this. A drone under 250 grams, meaning no licenses, no red tape, just pure liftoff freedom. A creator's dream come true. Slide it in your pocket, hit the mountains, hit the city, you're ready in seconds. DJI's engineers have somehow pulled off the impossible. Longer flights, more power, stronger balance. All without tipping the scales. That's not design. That's poetry in flight. A sleek, wind-cutting shell. With foldable arms, whisper-quiet props, and a finish that looks premium even before it flies. This is the kind of tech that says, go wherever your story takes you. Imagine mid-hike, clouds brushing your face. Pop it open, sync it, and you're airborne before your next breath. That's DJI's creed. No barriers, only creativity. Inside, the real beast roars. A new BFER 1660 mAh battery replaces the old 1435 mAh, pushing 20-25 minutes of airtime. That's elite for its size. But it's not brute power, it's intelligent efficiency. A reworked flight brain squeezes every second, giving buttery smooth footage, steady lines, and zero lag when you dive, rise, or pivot. Hit sport mode, and this thing rips at 16 ms, quietly turning calm creators into adrenaline junkies. And to keep your signal clean, DJI's dropped in 04 transmission. A 10-kilometer range with crystal feeds, even in crowded airspace. This is pro reliability, without the pro-level stress. Now, the heart of it all, the camera, DJI rebuilt the whole vision system, centered on a 113-inch CMOS, pushing 4K 60 FPS, with 10-bit HDR and D-Log M-color science. Translation? Rich shadows, vibrant highlights, colors that breathe life into every frame. You're not just recording, you're painting in motion. Golden hour woods, neon-soaked streets, crashing waves at sunrise. All with cinema depth straight from your palm. Dynamic range so broad that editors will drool. But even ungraded clips come out balanced and ready to post. And here's where it gets wild. The Neo 2 thinks for itself. AI magic runs deep. Active Track 6.0, gesture liftoffs, voice commands. It reads your cues like a co-director. Wave, it lifts. Walk, it follows. Speak, it obeys. It doesn't just see you, it understands you. For solo creators, this is liberation. No crew, no stress. Just you and your vision in perfect sync. It frames, tracks, and composes like a pro cinematographer who never gets tired. That's not automation, that's evolution. Because at its core, Neo 2 isn't about specs, it's about purpose. DJI's mission has always been clear. Bring sky-level storytelling to everyone. Every model they launch breaks another wall. And Neo 2, it's the manifesto in motion. It's not just a drone, it's a movement. A declaration that anyone can shoot the extraordinary. From travel reels to YouTube masterpieces, It turns fleeting ideas into forever footage. Light as a whisper, sharp as instinct. Built for dreamers who refuse limits, and DJI nails the value game too. Smart bundles, fair pricing, and gear built for every creator tier. With FCC approval locked and shelves prepped for the holidays, all signs point to a November 2025 global liftoff. Production's rolling, teasers are timed, and by early 2026, Neo 2 will be everywhere. It's not hype anymore, it's history in motion. Because as 2025 fades into dusk, DJI isn't just launching a product, they're launching possibility. This is more than machinery. It's a message. The sky belongs to everyone brave enough to fly. So tell me, when the Neo 2 finally hits the airwaves, will you be among the first to chase tomorrow's shots? Through these endless 2025 skies, the world's waiting, adventure's calling, and DJI just handed you the wings. Until next time, keep creating and keep flying high.